I hit this issue today and hit S the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble logging into your AT&T account, follow these steps to get back in. Step 1. Check your credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the HR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, old data can cause issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain extensions can interfere with login processes. Temporarily disable them, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Use a different browser or device. If all else fails, try accessing your account from a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is browser specific. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. Don't hesitate to reach out to AT&T support if problems persist. Good luck!